Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2020 Ford Transit Custom. This is the long wheelbase model. This comes in a lovely blue trail model for you with 30,000 miles upon the clock. Now this one does come, unlike other customs, with 3 leather seats, blind spot warning upon the wing mirror, a 6-speed manual transmission, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, hands-free cooling, voice assist, cruise control, satellite navigation, radio, along with air conditioning just below and heated wing mirrors as well. Now I will just show you the load area in the back, and as you can see it's rather spacious inside of here, interior lit, ply lined on some of the panels as well, cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to carry, and I will just show you this space again from the barn doors at the back. Now as you can see, the bulkhead is completely pristine, not scratched, dented in any particular way, suggesting the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now if you would like to find out more about this Ford Transit Custom Trail Edition, then please do feel free to head over to our website anchorvans.co.uk or visit our site in Padworth just outside of Reading, and you can discover this van and a couple more similar as well. If they might take your fancy as well, you can speak to one of our specialists regarding which van is perfect for you, and hopefully this may end up on your drive one day.